Yo, what's going on people, BareFox here and welcome back to another brand new video. This video is going to be all about Valorant and all of its error codes, what are the causes and what are the fixes. So stick around till the end. I hope this video helps you out. If it does, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome content like this. And with all that said, let's get started. Alright, to fix most of the problem in the early start, I suggest you guys to do these settings. First thing, Ctrl-Shift-Escape and open up your task manager. Then go to the startup section and scroll down until you find Valorant tray notification. Make sure that it is enabled. If it's not, right click and instead of disable, hit enable over here. And that's how you can enable it. Then go to the services section. Once you are in services, hit open services and then find VGC. Right click on that, go to properties, click on the startup type and put it on automatic, hit apply, hit OK. If that didn't help, open up command prompt with the administrative permissions. Once you open up your command prompt, here are a few commands that you need to enter. First is IPCONFIG/flushdns. Once done with that, type in BCDEDIT -set TESTSIGNING off. Type in BCDEDIT/no integrity checks off and then close it. Then open up the two links I provided in the description below. Then start downloading this software as well as this software. The first one is the Microsoft DirectX. I hit and accept terms, conditions, hit next and make sure to install the DirectX. Also make sure to install the Microsoft Visual C++. After you've installed this program, you have to restart your PC. Once done with all of these settings, let's move ahead. Alright, I'm gonna be moving ahead in an orderly manner for all the error codes, its causes, and how to fix them. Starting off with error codes 0 and 1, which basically means there is a connection error from your PC to the Valorant service. All you have to do is close the game and restart it and it would work. For error code 4, that means Riot cannot accept your display name. It can be either invalid or inappropriate. For that, follow these steps. Open up your browser and go to this link I've provided in the description below. Then click on this arrow. Then log into your account. You will be redirected to a website like this. Click on your name, then go to settings. You'll be coming to a page like this. Over here you'll find your Riot ID. Now you can change your Riot ID, hit save changes and try relogging in again. Error code 5 means your account was logged in somewhere else. If you know this activity, then it's okay. If you found it suspicious, you can change your password anytime. For code 7 basically means Valorant couldn't connect to the session service. It can be either a ban from Valorant or it can be a platform issue. So make sure you guys check your email and try contacting with Riot through the mail service. For code 8 to 21, is again a problem with Riot client. You have to restart your PC if you get any error code between 8 to 21. For code 29 is a network firewall issue. Follow these steps. First, go to Windows Firewall. Once you open up Windows Defender Firewall, go to Advanced Settings. Once you are in the inbound rule, make sure the Riot client has two green ticks on the left side. If you don't find Riot client over here, hit new rule and then go to program, then hit next. Then for the program path, hit browse. Over here, go to local disk C, then Riot games, then Riot client. Over here you'll find Riot client services.exe. Hit open, hit next, hit allow the connection, hit next. Make sure you tick all of these, hit next, and then name, type in Riot client. hit finish. You have to do the same thing in the outbound rule as well. For error code 31, that means Valorant failed to get the player name information. You have to restart your game in order to fix it. For error code 33, basically means the Riot client process was closed. This can be either done by user or the system itself, so make sure you guys restart your PC in order to fix this error. For code 38, again means there is a connection error. You have to restart your Valorant in order to fix it. For code 43, that means there is a system timeout. It means your system cannot connect to the server. For code 44 means Vanguard isn't initialized. For this, you have to restart your PC. If this problem still isn't solved, you have to reinstall Valorant. For error code 45, it's caused because Vanguard reboot is required. For this, you have to restart your PC. For code 46 means Valorant services are under downtime. You have to wait until the server comes active and online. Code 49 means the chat did not initialize. You have to restart your Riot client in order to fix this problem. For code 50 means the voice did not initialize. It can be either problem of your sound card or your audio interface, or you can even fix it by restarting Valorant. Code 51 means there is a problem creating a party. It basically means you have an outdated version. Make sure you guys check for updates in Valorant. For code 52, that means there is a problem fetching skill information for the players. It can be an issue from the server or it can be an issue from your side as well. I highly suggest you guys to restart your Valorant client or restart your PC in order to fix this problem. For code 53 and 54, that means you have a content service failure. You can even contact Riot through mail or try restarting your game or restarting your PC to fix this problem. For code 55, that means the application repair management is not initialized. In order to fix this problem, you have to restart your PC. For code 56, that means your legal info is failed to log in. To fix this error, you have to restart your game. For code 57, 58, and 59, you have to restart your PC. For code 60, that means your patch isn't initialized. You have to re-download Valorant and reinstall it again. For code 61, it means you have been banned from playing Valorant. You can contact Riot through the mail service or use /submit in the bottom left section of the page. For code 62, it means there's something wrong with your internet. For code 63, basically means the anti-cheat has detected something in your PC that is running in the background which alters the game or provoke any kind of cheating in the game. To fix this, find the suspicious program and uninstall it. For code 64 to 67, you have to restart your Valorant and your PC in order to fix the problem. For code 68, it means you have something suspicious content in your account that you don't own. It can be a cause of hacking or manipulation in the content. You have to contact Riot through mail to fix this problem. For code 69 and 70 basically means that there is something wrong with the payment settings or the store settings in Valorant. Basically, you have to update your game or restart your PC to fix this problem. For code -81, that means there is a service start failed. For this, you have to restart your PC and restart the Riot client as well, and if it still doesn't work, you have to uninstall Valorant and reinstall the game. If it still gives any problem, you have to contact Riot through the mail. And finally, code 152 means you have a hardware ban. You can't fix this problem until you get the new hardware or find which hardware of your PC has got the ban. For VAN 0, 1, and 6, basically means Valorant has encountered connection error. To fix that problem, you have to restart your PC and restart Valorant. For VAN 81, that means you have a network error. You can fix it by restarting your PC, reinstalling your game, or either contacting Riot for further details. For VAN -102, that means Valorant has encountered a connection error. To fix this problem, perform the following settings. Open up your control panel, then go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Options. Over here, click on Ethernet, then Properties. Over here, find Internet Protocol version 4, double click on that, use the following DNS server, and use 8.8.8.8 for alternate 8.8.4.4. Hit OK. Then hit Configure. Hit Yes. Then go to Power Options and make sure all of these are turned off. Then go to Driver, hit Update Driver, and then search automatically for the drivers and make sure you have the latest drivers installed. Last but not the least, we have van-104. It basically means a connection error. For this, you have to restart your PC in order to fix this problem. And with all that said, we have reached the end of our video. If this video helps you out in any means, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks a lot for 15.4k subscribers. I seriously do appreciate you guys a lot. And with that said, we're gonna be meeting in another video. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching BareFox, and peace out.